Goals are things you imagine in your head and mind. You're going to try to visualize them in your life that fill your heart and life with joy and happiness. Working really hard, self-discover, helping others, create opportunities, all might be unnecessary and might call silly, but they are the main goals that we should follow in our life, that we should apply in our daily routine. Here is some facts on these 4 criteria. Working hard is the main fuel to your goals that going to lead you toward your dream. Self-discover is the clarity with yourself deep inside you, that you going to show yourself your goals, your destination. Helping others will give you in reward what you always want. Because in this life, there is one rule: no one gave without getting. Create opportunities is the result of discover, search, identify, and distinguishing your greatness. When you're going to apply these things, you're gonna create opportunity to yourself toward your dreams, your goals, your ultimate goals. See, goals are combination between your mind effort, which is trying to open door for yourself, call it opportunities, and with your physical effort, which is you going to try really hard, working really hard. It's a combination between these two, mind effort and physical effort. While you applying these things, these criteria, you need to be sure that you're going to be rejected, ignored, self-bullied, all that going to make you feel nothing. Here, self-discover take place. It has the biggest effect on your journey, saying with you in your mind that it is my goals, I should to do what it necessary for, because those hypocrites won't disappoint me at all, won't affect on my journey. It's my journey I'm responsible for. Set your goals, have goals, daily goals, monthly goals, yearly goals. Set goals every day, work hard for them, do your best to reach them and to get them. Some people gonna say my dreams are hard and unachievable. But let me tell you this, when you reach the half of the road to your dreams, your dreams is just away from you, then nothing will matter. Just you on the road, you're gonna take it to that dreams. Go for it, don't back down, don't look back, don't quit. Go and finish your road that lead you to your goals. Set your goals, visualize them, discover them. Be clear with yourself, which is very important to make your goals your reality. Goals are like you living in a dark place and you seeing in a sight a faint and weak light. Every time you get closer and closer, it widen and widen till you see it so close. Goals are the same. When you set goals, you define your life, you give them a priority, and they're gonna lead you to make your plan. That's gonna lead you to reach the big hole in the darkness, which is your dreams. In the end, set goals, define your purpose, see suggestions, make opportunity, love your road you're gonna take, your destination and your fate. Every vision has a goals, so draw it inside you and try your best to make it into reality.